Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW 1 Series guys and you have a 6-cylinder engine and you're trying to remove or replace the Serpentine belt. Even if you guys have a 4-cylinder engine, the video may be helpful to teach you how to do that. So make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos guys. Specifically on BMWs, we make even more. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, something else guys, if you need to buy a new belt, new tensioner, replacement parts, tools, anything that we use, check out the links in the description of the video below. We share them for your convenience. Also, if you want to see more videos about that engine, this is the N52 engine that has been used in 3 series, 1 series BMW, 5 series BMW guys. Super popular engine. We have a main channel that's called Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 68 million people guys, so please check it out, okay, and subscribe. Quite helpful information will come there. As you can see, we have guys the front end removed because we'll be making so many videos on that channel, on that car guys, so we can save you money. You don't need to do any of that. You can replace your belt simply, okay, without removing pretty much anything, but you will have your radiator fan will be right there guys. So if that radiator fan activates, it can take your fingers off. So what I recommend, disconnect your car battery. Now it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first, positive or negative, because otherwise you can cause damage to the electrical system or even burn engine computers guys. It happened to us before. If you want to see more about that, that explains how to disconnect the correct way car battery on modern car, we have the video in the description of the video below. Please check it out. So with that being said guys, we need to get a torque 60 start looking bit, okay, like this one right here. You can see that's what it looks like. And okay, I'm still trying to focus a little bit. Okay, it goes right here in the tensioner pulley. That's the pulley that puts tension on the belt and keeps it in place. Go clockwise, it will release it while you're holding pressure on it. Remove the belt and start pulling the belt out. That's your alternator, idle pulley, power steering pump, crankshaft pulley, and AC compressor. Usually the AC compressor is the last one because it's a little bit limited room, since you may have a cooling pipe there, a freon pipe, so it will be a little bit less room. So that's how you guys remove it. Now we'll go ahead and show you how to install it now. When we install it, usually we go to the AC compressor first. We install it on the pulley there. Okay, you're going to see just like that. From there we go guys to the to the alternator. We go to the idle pulley, we go to the power steering pump. From there we're going to go to the crankshaft pulley, and the last step that we'll be doing is either the idle pulley, or you can take it off the alternator now, install it on the idle pulley, and if one person holds it here, you can put tension on the belt, on the tensioner, go clockwise, and install it on your alternator. Make sure that it's aligning correctly everywhere, otherwise the belt can be destroyed and you can cause damage to your engine. Reconnect your car battery and you're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.